What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be going over how to start an online business with $0. And yes, I mean it, $0. You really can. I'm going to go over a couple of business ideas that I myself have even launched and you can launch as well to start making money with $0. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I appreciate all the recent support that we've been getting on the channel. We've actually been growing very rapidly. And to some people, 4,200 subs is not a lot, but to me it is, because we're growing every single day, touching new people and reaching new people every single day. And I appreciate every single one of you for liking, even comments, good or bad, and subscribing to the channel for daily content, because we are going to stay consistent. We're posting 5+ shorts a day. We're posting one long form video with value just like this. So I can't wait for 2023 and all the value that we have coming for you. So first things first is right now, if you want to start a business with $0, there's a lot of unpractical things that you'll hear on the internet about this, but I'm going to get into very simple ones right now. And this can be online and in person. Okay. First things first is washing cars. Okay. You could do detailing, or you can do, obviously exterior car wash or detailing. Okay. All you need is 2 bare hands, some soap and water. That's maybe going to cost you $2. Now we can't exactly get it for $0, but it's pretty damn close. Hustling around your neighborhood, going to people's houses, door knocking. That's one of the best side hustles that I used to do when I was a kid. Second one is mowing people's lawns. Now you're probably wondering, well, Wojo, a lawnmower is not $0. Well, here's the thing. If you go on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, there's a lot of people who are looking to give away lawnmowers, couches, stuff like that for $0. You have to drive to them, which might be $1 in gas. Oh boy. And you can start mowing people's lawns. Yes, it requires you to have gas, okay? But it's not gonna cost you more than a couple bucks to fill out the tank and be able to go to a job site, okay? You get some papers, you print out some flyers. It's not hard to go print papers. You can go to Office Depot, or if you have a printer at home that your parents have, you can just print like 50 flyers for less than a couple bucks. You put the flyers in people's mailboxes, you're going to get a couple of calls. Trust me, I did it myself. I ran around the neighborhood. I used to do 25 to 50 flyers on a weekend. I would get 3 calls. Those 3 longs would be $60 each. It's $180 a week. That's a good amount of money for somebody who's younger, who doesn't have a lot of money to start an online business and drop a ton of money on a course and run ads and do all these other softwares and stuff like that. It's very cost effective. Number 3 is going to be running an SMMA like I run. And you're probably wondering too, like, okay, well, here he's going to pitch a course. Like, you can grab the course, first link in my bio, like that's cool and all. It's under $100, but if you actually don't need that, there's free videos, there's free courses on YouTube that you can take to start getting your feet wet in the SMMA space. Start learning how to get your first client, start learning how to do your pricing, start learning how to actually get clients with $0 money. And I'm gonna give you a couple of strategies right now. Cold emailing, it's free. You all have an email inbox, you all have a Gmail account. You can send emails to business owners in your area for absolutely free. You can also go to those local businesses in person and pitch a free trial, or whatever the case may be. And that requires just your time, effort, and courtesy. Okay. If you really want it hard enough, you're going to do these small things. It's not hard to build an online business with $0 money. It's that no one actually wants to put the effort in and try. I did the same thing when I first started. I didn't have any money. I drove to local businesses in my beat up Ford Focus, and I used to close deals that way. I was charging $500 a month. I was doing social media management, video, photo, and posting to social media platforms and running Facebook boosted posts for local businesses like barbershops, restaurants. I had a painting contract at the time as well, a Dominican restaurant. I also did more than just one barbershop. I was actually very good at barbershops. There's actually a video on my channel about how I scale barbershops from 10K a month to over 30K a month with simple Google ads. And that's something that you could literally steal and copy and paste for me and go pitch your local barbershop as well. Or barber shops if you're in a very populated or big inner city. There's a bunch of barbershops there. I think the biggest thing when you're trying to start a business and you don't have a lot of money is the mindset, because you think that you need money to make money. And yes, in the game of me and other 7-8 figure entrepreneurs where we're making money, you have to pay to play to win. Whoever pays the most for their customer wins. These are things that we've been thrown down our throat for years now. And it's just the way that the niche is. If you want to make massive amounts of money, you have to pay to play. But if you want to get your feet off the ground, you don't have to spend tons and tons of money that you don't have. You can just do it with grunt work and do it with some grit and some compassion and some empathy and actually get your feet off the ground. There's a bunch of ways to make money. If you have a car that you've been gifted by your parents, a quick way to make money is through Uber driving, but you're not going to do that because you think, oh, well, I'm trading time for money. You don't have any fucking money, so you might as well trade your time right now. You have no skills. You need money to acquire skills. Or you're going to take longer to acquire those skills and learn and go through the trials and tribulations. You know, maybe not buy some programs here and there and learn from other people who have gotten to the place where you want to be. You have to have that practicality when doing this and starting an online business or even an in-person business. There's ways to use your two hands. Also, like window washing is another good idea. I see a bunch of people on YouTube who post door knocking videos. They literally are giving you their sales script in there. You can copy and paste what they're doing in the videos. You can start selling window washing. All you need is a squeegee and some decent cleaning products that you could probably ask for your birthday or for Christmas. Like Christmas is right here. You could get your parents to buy you that. It's all about priorities. Like if you're not willing to do the dirty work, you're not willing to ask, you're not willing to do the little things that are going to build you a real business, then you're not going to get the results that you want. And so many people online are just like very into the whole get rich quick, or I want quick results and I want this fast. Like you're not going to get that. You're looking for the wrong thing. You want the money, not the journey or the legacy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really, really matters a lot to us for pumping out new videos like this, and especially me. I love you guys. And also like and comment any suggestions you have of businesses that you started with $0 and what your feedback is on today's video. But like, comment, subscribe, like I said, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.